for the front half of the same box, just assemble in the same fashion as you did before. Remember, these only go in one way. If they don't fit, it's because it's in the wrong direction. And we have it. Now we just put each end on with a little bit of tape to temporarily hold it in place. I'm using blue tape also just to make it very easy to see. Masking tape doesn't matter much otherwise. And so that's the process of making your box. And the last component, take another back. Now secure that down also with your tape. Make sure the ends line up. Make sure everything is square. The tape will do a lot to hold everything into its place. Personal choice, not necessary, but you can do this also. Just secure off each end. And now you have a box that is ready to put into your hive.